Want to master digital marketing from scratch and actually see results for your business or blog? Hi, I am Md Afraz Alam, founder of Techfee.com, your go-to destination to learn digital marketing the right way from the beginning. Whether you're a student, creator, business owner, or marketer, my goal is to help you grow online with real strategies that work. At Techfee, I love sharing what actually works in digital marketing, like simple SEO tips, smart content strategies, affiliate tricks, Google Ads insights, and honest tool reviews. Most of what I write is inspired by marketing legends like Neil Patel, Rand Fishkin, Brian Dean, Ryan Deese, and others. I break everything down in a way that's easy to follow, so we can learn and grow together one step at a time. Everything is written in a simple, action-oriented format so you can go from zero to advanced, step by step. Start by exploring our most popular blog posts or download our free SEO checklist to boost your traffic today. And if you're a business owner or entrepreneur looking for hands-on help to grow your brand, check out our expert digital marketing services at digitalmarketing.techfee.com. We're here to help you scale. Once again, welcome to Techfee. Let's talk digital marketing and grow together.